How you doing, boss? Good, man. I'm Deputy Rodriguez, Cameron County Sheriff's Office, boss. Reason for the stop, man. You're running with your lights off, man. What's going on with that?
I'm not sure if the fuse blew. As soon as I noticed them,
yeah,
I pulled over.
Okay.
Turned around.
Okay. I got you. The vehicle yours or?
It's my friend's.
It is?
Yes,
okay. You live here?
Yes, sir. In the back. There's RVs.
Was it 24? I got you. You got any idea or anything on you, bro?
No, I don't, but...
Okay. Alright. You mind going back in the vehicle for me, man?
Locked it, man.
3 on 1.
I mean, I promise you I pulled over as soon as I
2407 delay, no send me another, please. Okay. You can tell me the challenge.
I don't have no idea.
You don't have any idea or anything like that, bro?
My knife and my $4.
Okay.
That's it.
I got you. Where are you coming from, bro?
I was going to go down to see my friend on W Street, but I seen the lights and I turned back around.
I got you. Alright. You have any driver's license or anything like that, bro?
No, sir.
Okay. You can't unlock your car back up, bro?
No, it's not mine.
It's not yours.
It's my buddy's. It's not mine.
How was you driving, though?
Because he was going to let me borrow it to my friend's house, but I seen the lights were off and I turned right around.
Yeah, but you were just driving the car. How don't you have the keys to it?
I've left them. They're in there. They're in there. It's a key fob. I left it in there. I'm sorry.
Okay. Alright, well, that's definitely weird as fuck, bro.
I mean, I'm sure it opens. I don't know what he has in there. I don't know what's going on with it. I turned right around, man, please.
I got you. Alright. No idea or anything like that?
I don't, sir.
And what's your name?
It's Michael.
Michael what?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I got you. You have any weapons or anything?
Right
Alright, just turn around. I gotta pat you down real quick, man. Alright, here. Let's do this real quick.
Man.
Just for now. Alright? Just for now.
Turn around.
Just for now. Alright? It doesn't mean you're going to jail, bro. It doesn't mean you're going to jail, bro. Alright? It's just I gotta figure out what's going on with you, man. You're acting all fucking weird.
That's what it is. I'm sorry.
Acting all weird, saying you have no ID, you unlock the car, you don't have access to the car no more. The car's not registered to you.
The last time I pulled it over. What's the deal with it?
It's my buddy's car, man. I seen the lights were out. I turned around and I pulled over. That's it. I was heading towards W Street. I noticed the lights were dim, so I turned around.
Where's your buddy?
He's in the shed. He's in the RV right there.
What's his name?
It's JJ.
JJ?
JJ?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Oh, it's not locked, bro.
Not?
No, somebody's been lying.
Come on, bro. Why are you lying to me?
I didn't know, man. I thought I heard it lock when I closed the door.
It's alright, whatever you left in there, we'll find.
What's that, bro?
I pulled over, man.
Hey. So, you're lying to me about your deal, bro. I know that. You know that.
About my what?
Your driver's license.
I really don't have it on me, sir. I promise you
Okay.
I don't.
I got you. Alright, so I'm gonna read you a couple questions, man, but I gotta read you your rights first, okay? Alright, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say. And this car, who is it registered to?
I just know it's my friend's and I was going to borrow it.
Okay. And you don't have the keys to it?
Yes, sir.
No.
I think they're in the car. I'm
Okay.
not sure. It's one of those that push to starts.
I got you. And you don't know, what's his name? JJ, you said? JJ? Okay. And you don't know if he owns the vehicle, actually, or?
I'm not 100% sure, no, sir.
Okay. I got you. How long you been knowing JJ for?
My mom's known him for a while, about a month or so.
Okay, got you. And he's been letting you borrow that vehicle for a while?
No, this was first time tonight.
first time using it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I got you. All right.
Part 284.
Frank 9 didn't advise.
Yeah, one prior.
Okay.
That's
In 18.
Okay.
That was guilty. That guy?
Frank 9 on
Yep.
part 29.
Yep. One prior.
Okay. Cool.
You think he's got stuff in the car though?
Oh, 100%. Oh, yeah. That'd be the first clue right there.
Oh, here you go. Here's your message.
Sweet. Perfect.
Pretty good fucking lock, yeah.
And then that bag was in the back seat. Yes.
Is this him? Is this his ID?
Yeah.
Was it in the thing?
Yeah. It's kind of easy, huh?
You can't make this shit up, dude.
Part 116.
Oh, he got a lot.
Between the driver's seat and center console?
Bags, scale, nose scale.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. How we go?
All right, bro. What do you want to do with the car, man? Do you want me to grab the keys?
Not sure.
Okay, you just want me to just leave it here? I mean, JJ said he lives right here, right? He does? Okay. That's a lot of dope, bro. That's a lot of dope.
No dope. I just hopped in the car. I was going down W. And I'm
So how do you explain this? How do you explain? So all the dope was on the driver's side, and then that other bag, the black bag, with all the baggies, with the rest of the dope and all that shit, with your driver's license inside. How do you explain that, bro? That's like hard to fucking deny right there. Okay, you can't say that's not your dope, bro.
The bag's mine.
Huh?
The bag was mine.
Misdemeanors. Driving with a suspended license. Possession of drug paraphernalia. Felonies. Possession of a controlled substance without a prescription. Trafficking of methamphetamine, 14 grams or more.